8 p.m. by the watch. Jaseen Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design, with the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions and stuff. And I've been holding back and meaning to sing this song, the lyrics, okay? यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ दम ले ले दम ले ले दम ले ले घड़ी भर जाएगा कहाँ यहाँ कौन है तेरा. So this is a song which is from a movie called Guide, and it's been playing on me since morning and stuff. And uh, it's a beautiful movie, and for people who've seen it, you'll remember the lyrics and the way the movie's been made with Devanand, who's had a breakup, and he's from the Star World and stuff, and he's had a breakup with Wahida Rehman, and she's dumped him or ditched him. They've ended the relationship, and he's having a hard time coping up and everything, and you know how sometimes the glamour world is and stuff and all that, and he's feeling sad and lonely. And then comes the deeper part of it, which is traveling through your journey. So it talks about being a traveler. So I'm referring to the song as a traveler in the journey of life and stuff. By no means is this about romance and breakups and stuff like that. It's about being in touch with the reality of life and stuff. So you take a look around and stuff, you know. I mean, it's beautiful. Life is beautiful. You've got love, romance, you've got shero shairi, you've got poetry, you've got drama, you've got, all genre of music. You've got, prose, you've got drama happening, you've got art happening, you've got expression happening, you've got ballet happening, you've got movies, you've got beautiful music, you've got expression happening on love and everything and all that. But the point is, the reality is, you take a walk around and you come back, you're going in a city and you notice it's not very hunky dory all the time. And you do take note of stuff around like, poverty. You take note of the bad infrastructure. You take note of homeless people, children with no education. You take note of stray dogs and cats on the road. They've got nothing to eat, and what's happening in our country and stuff. You take a look at pollution. You got drugs as a concern and a problem in the country. You see people sleeping on the streets and stuff. And I've got nothing against love, or I've got nothing against marriage. I've got nothing against it, but I'm slightly more on the real side of life, and it's nice to have a balance of all of that. So the point is, you're doing something for the world. So I realized that I'd share this over a few years. You don't need a rank, you don't need a designation, you don't need a pompous role, you don't need you know movies to be made on this and stuff. You don't need extravagant work to happen to make a difference in anybody's life. You could do this very easy. I just went over for a walk with my dog to buy a diet coke and some stuff for myself and all that on a Sunday. And I saw this one boy on the cycle. I guess she was feeling cold, so I told him, "Okay, come over. I'll give you something." So I've got this carton I had shared, which has got some clothes and stuff. So I prepared him. Come over tomorrow, and I'll give you something. And then I thought that I've got these young lads and young boys dropping in food every now and then, or they're dropping in grocery, or they're dropping in something or the other at home. So I might as well give them something. So maybe I'll give them a book, or maybe I'll give them some biscuits, or maybe I'll give them something or the other. But I'll avoid giving cash because I realize that they're also in this thing about this age about buying cigarettes and smoking up and stuff. So try and do something or the other in kinds, and that always helps. So Over the few months, I just normally give biscuits or some snacks or something, or maybe a chocolate or maybe something or the other, you know. And if you feel strongly for a cause, the best time to adopt a pet, adopt a cat, adopt a dog. You know, you could get some birds or something like that. Adopt a child if you like, yeah. So why not? Yeah, yeah, why not? Why not? You know. And we had the pet festival today. Unfortunately, I was not able to attend it. But coming back to that song, being a traveler in this world, you have to go through a journey of so many things. You keep learning, you keep unlearning, you keep improving. You got your goals before you, you got your dreams before you. But always remember to strike a balance. Let your goals and your dreams not kill you. Let them not become everything, you know. I mean, it's important to have a balance, and work shouldn't take over your life. It should be a part and parcel of your life. Yes, it's coming from me. I mean, I'm a founder and a CEO, and I do my stuff, and I can't say I've been there, done that. There's so much more to do and stuff. But in the middle of it, my realization is never ever make work the only agenda of your life. Yeah. Try and balance it with as much joy, as much happiness, friendships, people in the neighborhood, children, community, you know, people to talk to. Because when you go out, you're not forever in your office. When you go out, you must know people around you and stuff, you know. And the world looks bigger and better when you say hi. It opens up another dimension. You just say hi to someone, and the person will say hi. And if you're friendly yourself, people will try and have a chat with you. Like today, I went for a walk, and the cobbler just said hi. And I said, yeah, hi. So we got talking and stuff, you know. So it doesn't take much to be friendly. And I would again iterate this and repeat this. The world is a mirror. It reflects exactly how you're feeling and stuff, you know. So try and avoid negative people. Try and avoid bad company. Try and avoid people who make you think that you must think positive and think positive, but they themselves are in negative circles and they don't look positive or think positive. Yeah. One should be careful on that as well, okay? So love and luck and take care. And यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ? What I mean is that if you're a traveler in this world and you're on a journey, I'm not talking about a sea voyage, I'm not talking about a cruise, I'm not talking about adventures out there, I'm not talking about, you know, I'm not talking about anything else. I'm just talking about the journey of your life. You know, every day you go out, you are setting yourself out to do something or the other. You come back, so that's a small adventure. That's a small journey every day you wake up for, and you're going on it. You know, till your last day. So make it fun, make it light, make it happening, but try and impact and leave a mark on the world. And show it to them that there is goodness out there, and it's not just about images and ranks and positions and fames and everything and all that. I may be a rock star, I may be a celebrity for some people and stuff for the music that I am a part and parcel of it and stuff, but I don't see myself that way. So just, just blend into the world and keep learning, you know, and stop pushing to make things happen so much. Do something for the world, and the world opens up for you. That's how it works. So, यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ? दम ले ले घड़ी भर जाएगा कहाँ? What it means is slow down, think a little bit, you know, get out of your house, get out of your own circle, get out of the spaces, your own, people you're so used to around, being around and stuff. Try step out of that comfort zone or that little pond that you know. Try step out, try be in new spaces, new circles and stuff. May take a little time to break that mold of thinking and stuff. But when you start going out and, you know, exploring new things, new ideas come to you and stuff. I'm sorry about this. It's a Sunday. I got to take care of myself. It's going to happen a little later in the day and stuff. But the point is not just, all that, because I've been painting and I've been managing some home improvement and all that. So it doesn't matter, does it? I mean, this is just like a half an hour or a 1 hour thingy and all, you know. So I guess I'm allowed on a Sunday to just be myself and all. So, anyways, love and luck and take care. Focus on the video and the content and stuff, and start on a kickstart and a bang tomorrow. Look after yourself, have fun, have a blast, and cheers to you on, yes, I finish off some nice roasted coffee. And if you have these wine bottles which you're polishing off and stuff, make use of those. I've just planted today only a money plant and stuff, so the energy of the house is good. You can put in some nice bouquets and some nice plants and use them to put some artificial lighting and stuff, and everything looks nice. So love and luck and take care and have fun, have a blast. This is unedited. यहाँ कौन है तेरा मुसाफिर जाएगा कहाँ दम दम ले ले So my congestion is gone. I can talk freely. So looking forward to meeting up in person and stuff, and catching up in person as well, to all those that I've promised and stuff. And Hakuna Matata. Take care, love and luck. Thanks for your likes. Thanks for your messages. Thank you for writing in and stuff. And keep up the good work. To all my friends and my professional acquaintances and my family, lots and lots of love, and see you in person. Keep in touch. Bye bye.